the world's largest bird family. Seeing hundreds, even thousands of birds flying together in a whirling, ever-changing pattern is a phenomenon of nature that amazes and delights those lucky enough to witness it. It's called a murmuration. Have you ever seen a murmuration? If you have, you would know its beauty. Welcome to Musambwa Island, an island with the largest bird family in the world. A group of birds may also be able to confuse or overwhelm a predator through mobbing or agile flight. A family with different bird species that stay and feed together. This is so amazing nature. This island is about 6 acres big, but it's inhabited to more than 100 different species. These include gray-headed gulls, greater cormorants, little egrets, and long-tailed cormorants, among other species. This flying pattern is a phenomenon. Take a look. The gray-headed gull, known as the gray-hooded gull, is a small species of gull that breeds patchily in South America and Africa south of the Sahara. It is not truly migratory but is more widespread in winter. The coexistence. Musambwa Island is a place covered with different bird sounds and warble.